should be showing that film in AP biology classes. It's that good. These high school students will be able to understand all the things that are in that movie. Post it on Tumblr. Post it on Instagram. Get it out there, because this is a message that millions of other people will be able to relate to, and it's not going to be able to spread itself.